Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're here with our F250 Super Duty truck, and we're going to be showing you how easy it is to swap out these dim and dingy looking OEM tag lights here. They're yellow, they don't look good, they don't do anything aesthetically pleasing for the back of the truck. So we're going to upgrade that today with our F150 LEDs Hyper White Mark II tag lights. So these are going to be much brighter. They're going to be a really clean light. So it's really going to be it's a small change, but it's a really nice aesthetic upgrade for the back of the truck. It's going to fit all trims from XLT all the way to Platinum, whatever your Super Duty is. All right, so it's super easy to do, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. Okay, so the installation here is really simple, so there's not really that many steps to show you, but it's a little difficult to get our camera right up under this bumper to show you everything that's going on, but it's really as simple as we're going to reach under this bumper here right to the back of where you see the light, and there's a connector, and you're just going to grab that connector and give it a counterclockwise turn. It'll release from the bumper. It'll have the bulb still in it. You'll be able to pull it directly out, and then it'll kind of hang down right here so that we can take that original dim bulb out and then replace it with our LED. Okay, so I'm going to reach over our hitch bar here. It's a little tight squeeze, especially with our Spartan light, but you'll be able to grasp the light here with a counterclockwise turn. It'll come loose, and you'll be able to pull it down. Just like so. So you just want to firmly grasp the bulb, not too tight, because obviously you don't want to break the glass in your hands. Also make sure that the bulb isn't hot to the touch, or you can use some gloves for safety, but you just want to firmly kind of pull it out from the base there, and then we're going to replace it with our thick wedge-based MK2 LED system. So this thick wedge is going to prevent vibrations that can obviously be a detriment to your light's extended life. All right. So we got both bulbs in. We went ahead and lit them up just to make sure that the polarity was correct. And these things are extremely bright. I don't know if the camera can capture how much brighter these are, but they're a pure white. They look fantastic. So then all that's left at this point is for us to reinsert the bulb up here into this housing and give it a clockwise turn to lock it into place. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. Just reach around, get it back in. So that's all there is to installing our MK2 LED tag lights here on a Ford Super Duty truck. It's extremely easy. These things look fantastic. They really do. The camera can't capture how great of an upgrade it is for the back end of your truck, but we guarantee that you're going to be pleased and love these lights. So you can check them out at F150LEDs.com, where you can find all of our custom LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F150 and Super Duty trucks. We look forward to seeing you there and really appreciate your support. Thanks, guys.